guys, and welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. Today's video is a collective haul of Dollar Tree, Dollar Spot at Target, and even a really simple DIY to bring that farmhouse aesthetic into your home on a super tiny budget. First, we're starting off with the Dollar Tree and my favorite find of the season, these $1 cotton stems. I could not believe they had these here. My friend and I had to call around a few different stores to find these. It might take you a hot second because they sell out, but it is worth it. These are so high quality and gorgeous, and it is crazy that you can get them for that price point. It is worth a trip just for this. A few other things at Dollar Tree to keep your eyes out for are these wood wreaths. These are great for DIYs and you'll see them in upcoming videos. Dollar Tree also carries stencils now. I'm really excited to do some kind of rustic DIYs with these, so be sure to subscribe so you can see how those turn out. This is a new product this year. They also have these individual cotton stems with pine cones as well as wheat. Also check for these jars with the jute twine around them. This is another fantastic Dollar Tree score, and these pair so well together. Something you can find in almost any Dollar Tree are the textured milk glasses. Paint them over with a little bit of chalk paint, and these look so cute on any table. Now for the Dollar Spot at Target. All of these items are $3, and the first is this wood crate. This is so gorgeous and is going to go perfectly on my DIY farmhouse coffee table. One of my favorite scores are these mini boxwood wreaths. Now my favorite way to use these is to put a candle in the middle of them. It really elevates a table on a very small budget. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for fall, and I know some people get mad about that, like you gotta enjoy the season that you're in, which I am, but I feel like come end of July, early August, like I get the itch to put up my fall candles. I cannot be alone in this. And I also adore this farmer's market sign. All of these are $3, and they've got tons of different options, also in some brighter colors. One of my favorites is this fresh cut flowers sign, and I love that you can pull together the farmhouse look and not have to spend a lot of money, and you can DIY some really simple things. Jess and I put together a beautiful basket made with cotton twine. You can get this for just 50 cents a yard from Hobby Lobby, and you just want to glue it in a spiral and then just keep gluing until it forms a little basket. Put some fresh flowers inside, and it really gives it that beautiful farmhouse feel, and it was made for just $3. When we are all you've been trying to find. No need looking, babe, here I am. No more looking, 'cause here I am. If you guys liked it, give it a thumb, and if you want more, give it a sub. I do tons of DIY videos, organizing videos, all on a small budget. I love you, and I will see you soon. Bye. So we learned, don't use aluminum foil as a template because it does stick to the glue when you try to get it off. It just doesn't work. We do the fails, so you don't have to. Hi, you want to come say hi? Oh, thank you. I have ballerinas to assist me with all of the DIYs. Is that how this works? Yeah. Yeah?